All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to warp some text. A few different methods here. So I typed out some text here with the type tool up there, and now I'm going to make sure it's selected. We'll go up here to Effect, and we'll go to Warp, and we're going to go to Arc. Now you can see it started off here. It already has an arc. I'm going to go horizontal first, so you can see that. So this is on a -22 on the bend. So we just, you can raise it up, and it's going to go up to the positive, back down there. And then, like you saw when we opened it up, it was vertical, but watch it drag over here. It goes the other way, right? So pretty cool. And you can have it be more on one side or the other. So you can really you can play with these things, but I want to show you some of the basic arcs as well, like the lower and upper. This is pretty cool. This is like the old Thrasher Skateboard Magazine effect. So they did an arc as well. And you bring it over to the positive side, it's going to do it the other way. And same thing, upper, you'll see it going to the top, right? The opposite of the other one. So yeah, and there's a lot of other ones in here. So I'm not going to show you all of them because I don't think you need to see them, because you can just play with them yourself. But there you go, look at that. Bam. It's really hard to do that manually, like good luck drawing that. It's possible, but it's just not as easy as it looks, and this makes it easy. So I hope that helped. It's just one of those things you got to know where to click. So if it did help, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.